It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood, right? Here we have this week's video. We're gonna make a bird's mouth bowl out of this piece of mesquite. So, yeah, it's I don't know, it's about 5 inches around, maybe a little smaller, and about this piece is probably gonna go away. Probably about what, 7-8 inches. Something like that. Anyway, we'll get this on the machine and see how it turns out. I've already flattened the top off here for my woodworm screw. All right, let's get to it. Are you seeing this? I hope so. I think this is going to have to be a mask and face shield and body armor and everything else, because this bark, the likelihood of this bark staying on is really not very good. So that's just to give it a little stability while we start hacking on this thing. So here we go, Mesquite Bird's Mouth Bowl. Mask and face shield on. Where's the mask? Where's the face shield? Okay, let's get resituated here. Oh, that's going to be kind of pretty, isn't it? But you see, that's just going to tear off. Still running 600 RPM. We're going to bump it up a little bit, I think. So I have kind of an idea what I want this to look like when I'm done. It'll be interesting to see if it's anywhere near close to what I think it should be. Mother Nature usually rules these things. Ouch, you booger. Yeah, the likelihood of that bark staying on is pretty darn thin. Let's see what we got. Let's see how much of it's come off. Let's see what we got now. Yeah, that's kind of some nasty stuff there, isn't it? I think I'm just going to eliminate the bark and save myself some ouches. Yep, because we're going to take most of this stuff away. I'm going to take and just bend this back down. So we've got a big hole right there. That'll be interesting. Yep, I'm not even going to try this bark. It's just flying off and hurting. It's not going to stay on. So let's not get beat up. Yep. Damn it. Shouldn't have done that. Big tear out, big gouge out. Let's just turn this in here and get closer somehow. I don't know how this is going to work. We'll see. You might be turning this into a piece of firewood. I don't know if I can this now. Let's see what looks like now. I'm not ready to like this. See, this is just down here. If we go chunk it out. Well, it's getting smaller, all I can tell you. Now I'm not ready to like this one. see what it does. Whoops, speed. Up 1,000. Feeling a whole lot better about this now than I did earlier. I was not feeling good about it earlier. Kind of like that. Kind of like that. I don't know. It's not exactly a bird's mouth though, is it? Kind of like winged. Yeah, let's take a little more of this ridge off here. It's kind of cool. Sure made a small piece out of that big piece though, didn't we? Well, it looks a little better now than when I took off for break. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be wonderful. We'll just keep whittling away at her here. I think I'm gonna use a carbide tool, hollowing tool, and we'll just get after this. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. This one. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe just a little bit. I think we're looking pretty darn good. I gotta go a little bit deeper maybe. I'm gonna use this other tool for deeper. Yeah. Let's see where we're at here. That's looking good. This is looking good. How are we doing for depth? Yeah, we're there. That, my friends, is finished. So now we're just going to do some scraping on the outside, and then we're going to start sanding, and then we're going to be done. Then we're going to be editing video. I think we're going to do some shaping on this. Being as we lost all the bark and everything else, I don't think there's any reason in fretting about that. So I don't see a whole lot of reason for keeping this. I kind of want to shape it. I almost want to shape, oh, maybe I can do that from underneath here. Maybe I can do that from out here. Let's try it and see what I can do. Maybe I can go a little deeper. Let's just see what I can do. Yeah, you can't see nothing, can you? Does that mean I have to move this again? A little left-handed action here. So this actually has a beautiful, when it's spinning, this has a really gorgeous kind of a mushroom sort of shape to it. And I really like it. But when you turn it off, it's still a beautiful shape, but it'd be kind of nice if this was all the way around. If there wasn't, you know, if I'd have taken this out of the middle of a piece of wood rather than the edge of a piece of log, you know, if I'd have, but the log was only as big as it was, so you're going to get what you get. So that's that. There's that. But note to self, use a bigger piece. And I just happen to have bigger pieces now. I'm just using this to scrape with. We're going to scrape off the top of this. There we go. Oh, that feels nice and smooth. Okay, now here we go with the, we're going to shape this. I'm just decided that this is, I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with this. So I'm going to shape this so it has a little bit of an hourglass flair to it. Anyway, put this away. Move on to the next thing. Sanding. This has a little sketch right there, but I think I can probably sketch that out of there. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to put my mask on. I'm going to find my mask and then I'm going to put it on. All right. So we're going to hourglass this a little bit. I'm going to shape this up, take this hard edge off, and I'll probably make all of that remnants of that bark go away. Same on this side.
I'm gonna round this over and round that over. Clean this edge up out here. And that's all freehand stuff. Got a little sketch right there that needs to get dealt with lightly. And then the only thing that's going to be this actual live edge is over here. Okay, here we go. We're going to do this just like this with the 3-inch.
Okay, here it is. The bird's mouth bull. Well, maybe it's more of a winged bull. This is the thing. Sometimes it can start a project and I have something in mind, and the way it actually turns out is not even exactly what I had in mind. So, mesquite winged bird's mouth bull? Yeah, I guess we'll call it that. It's kind of cute. Yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That would be great. Yeah, there you go. I'm not sure what next week's. Oh yeah, I think next week's project is going to be a big mesquite bowl. We'll find out when next week gets here. Anyway, once again, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And all you have to do is push that little chalice button right over here. I think it's right over here, or it might be right over here. It's the one that looks like a chalice. All right, next week.